Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to get axolotls in Minecraft, Bedrock or Java. So first, either you stand upon an azalea tree in the ground or you find a lush cave underground. The azalea tree indicates a lush cave underground, so I will change to spectator. Then we try and search for the lush cave. Here is one. Then we need to search in the water pools for the axolotls. Here is one. Okay, I found one. Usually they're in many groups, but I found one lonely. I change back to creative. Get a water bucket and grab him. That's it. That's the fastest way to get an axolotl in Minecraft. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.